My project is the effect of certain sugary drinks on the color of your teeth. The question for my project is, how do certain sugary drinks affect the color of your teeth? These are all the sources used for information about my project. My first source is from the Colgate website. The reason I use the source is because it let me know how sugar can damage the teeth. Another thing this source taught me is that bacteria in my mouth can create acids that damage the enamel. The reason I use this source, True Care Dentistry, is because it let me know how I could prevent tooth decay in the future for my teeth. It also let me know that soft drinks also attack dentin. Those are the reasons that I use that source. I used this source, ResearchGate.net, because it let me know how eggshells were similar to teeth. This site also told me other things about teeth that I didn't know before. That is why I used this site. I used this source, WebMD.com, because it let me know what can damage teeth. It also let me know that as you age, the outer layer of enamel on your teeth wears away, revealing the natural color of dentin. That is why I used this source. My hypothesis is, if I let eggshells soak in certain sugary drinks, then the color of the eggshells will change, because some drinks can cause permanent coloring on the enamel. This is a picture of all the drinks on my science experiment. These are all of my variables for the science fair experiment. My independent variables are the drinks, Riptide Rush flavored Gatorade, Brisk Lemon Tea, and Original Coke. My dependent variable is the color of the eggs after they soak in the drinks. My control variable is soaking the eggs in water. The constants are the type of egg and the amount of liquid poured in the cups. These are all the materials and procedures for my project. The materials are eggs, Riptide Rush flavored Gatorade, Brisk Lemon Tea, Original Coke, cups, measuring cup, paper plates, and a color scale. For my procedures, I will measure a cup of Gatorade, Brisk Tea, and Coke. Secondly, I will pour the drinks in separate cups. Then I will put the eggs in the cups with the drinks. Once the eggs are in the cups with the drinks, I will wait exactly 24 hours and record the results with the color scale. These are all the results from our project. This is the color scale I used for the results of my experiment. My data analysis is, in the end of my experiment, I found out that the Coke made the eggs the darkest, but the Gatorade had sugar eating through the eggs. The tea turned the eggs into a light brown, the Gatorade turned the eggs into a light blue, and the Coke turned the eggs into a really dark brown. The results are written on the slide above with the names and results and the color scale. My conclusion was, what I did was put eggs in cups that were filled with Riptide Rush flavored Gatorade, Brisk Lemon Tea, Original Coke, and tap water. The purpose of my experiment was to find out how certain drinks can cause permanent coloring on the teeth. The darkest egg was the Coke, and on average it was octave 2 C hashtag. The Gatorade Riptide Rush flavor was octave 8 F hashtag. The Brisk Lemon Tea was octave 6 C hashtag. You can see where I got the results name from on page 3. There were no errors in my experiment, and I did all the trials in different cups at the same time. 2 new things I learned was plaque bacteria uses sugar to create acids that can eat through the enamel, and that Coke can make your teeth darker than Brisk Lemon Tea. This is my works cited page.